Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make fish using paper. First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need one square sheet of paper, ideally 8 inches by 8 inches, along with a pair of scissors and some colorful markers. Choosing a bright, patterned paper can add a lot of personality to your finished fish. This simple craft is perfect for all ages and requires just a few basic items to get started on your aquatic creation. Let's dive in. Now let's begin with the foundational folds. Take your square paper and fold it in half diagonally, pressing firmly to create a crisp crease. Unfold it, and then repeat this diagonal fold in the opposite direction. When you unfold it again, you should see a clear X shape creased into the center of your paper. These initial folds are crucial for establishing the structure of your paper fish, providing the guidelines for our next steps. Keep those creases sharp. Next, we'll start shaping the fish's body. Take the top and bottom corners of your paper and fold them inwards, aligning them perfectly with the central X crease. Then, fold the entire paper in half horizontally, bringing the two side points together. This action will transform your paper into a distinct diamond shape, which forms the main body of your fish. These folds are key to giving your fish its recognizable silhouette, so take your time for accuracy. Finally, let's add the finishing touches to bring your paper fish to life. Carefully cut a small triangle from one end of the diamond shape to form the tail. You can also gently round the other end of the body with your scissors for a smoother appearance. Now, grab your markers and draw a friendly eye and some scales. Feel free to add any other creative details you like. Your unique, handmade paper fish is now complete and ready to swim.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.